heading on into Soarin.
I've never been so happy to be inside.
你好，欢迎大家来到这座独特的山顶观象台。它坐落在我们亚百利最神圣的塔古峰之巅。我是马可奥妈妈，可爱亚百利。不过你们叫我雷鸟婆婆就好了。我是天空的守护者，是过去、现在和未来的先知。求你们，真是叫我越看越喜欢，特别是你，实在是太可爱了。今天告诉你们一个秘密：当你和大自然息息相通的时候，跟着我，你就可以随心所欲的在任何时候到任何地方，你就可以在时空里翱翔。
好，我们大家都低头看，地上有个白色的圆点啊，一人一个，自己踩一下。地上有一个白色的点啊，一人一个，自己踩一下，从前往后啊，中间别空啊。有空点自己往前走，确保一人踩一个，踩好自己看旁边的数字啊。等会进行座位号是有到你们对号入座，自己看清楚。
听好了，并且做好准备。大家都吃了吗？
这安全视频啊，都认真看一下啊。
为了你的安全着想，你必须做好，把所有随身携带的物品都放在座位下面的储物格里。
身上背的包都放座位下面篮子里啊，别放地上。
扣好安全带，拉黄色耳片，以确定安全带紧扣，并时刻照看好你的小孩。
安全带从左往右拉啊，这么一个安全带。
如果你或者你的同伴够不着座位上所标识的坐高要求，必须把安全带穿过座位上的中环后再扣紧。
小朋友两腿之间有一个中环扣，一定要扣，当然就直接扣安全带啊。
如果有人恐高，那就最好立刻告知我们的部落小伙伴。
需要离场的话，找我们工作人员，不能擅自离开。
好了，看来大家都掌握了安全提示。现在我们就冲向蓝天。
好，我们入场顺序是3、2、1啊，到里面去。
And there's the restroom.
All right, so we just got off Soarin here at Shanghai Disney, and it was part of our Fast Pass package that we bought, our Premier Access. I keep calling it Fast Pass, but it's pretty much exactly the same.
Pretty much the same,
as the one at home, the one in Florida, the one in California. The difference, again, is the ending scene, as usual. It is pretty much everywhere.
Yeah, I was expecting a little more out of the ending scene. It kind of just flies over Shanghai. I was kind of expecting they always like end over an amusement park.
Yeah, they didn't do it. Obviously the beginning part, the intro while you're standing there waiting, is different, and it's catered toward them. It's kind of like almost like a Native American or a tribal thing here.
Yep.
But otherwise, it's pretty much the same. So if you don't want to wait, and if you don't want to pay for Premier Access, fully understood, because it's pretty much the same ride. Now, the wait time was 75 minutes for the standby line when we got here, so very good that we have Premier Access today.
Yeah, this ride always has a long line at every park, though,
does.
so it's kind of crazy.
Yep.
Tokyo still, for sure, has the best version of it.
I agree with that.